Hello and welcome to Ideal Vision Care run by Dr. Nicole, Fee, OD. We'd like to introduce you to our optometry practice manual. We're located in New York City and we're a primary care practice. There's one doctor working 5 days per week with operating hours 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and we're a private optometric practice with an optical. So to get started, we'd like to talk to you today about professional conduct, at-will statement, and grounds for dismissal. All employees must read our code of conduct during employee training and sign the document to indicate they understand and accept all terms. Failure to comply with the aforementioned terms can be grounds for dismissal, as stated in our at-will clause, in which employees may be terminated without a 2-week notice if there is a justifiable cause. All employees are expected to uphold our standard of professional conduct. All employees are expected to treat all colleagues and clients with respect and courtesy regardless of gender, ethnicity, age, or social status. If a client or colleague files a verbal or written complaint, the complaint will be further investigated by the office doctor and the accused party will be given a formal warning. If an additional discrimination complaint is filed, the guilty party may be issued an unpaid leave to be determined by the doctor or be dismissed permanently depending on the offense. There is zero tolerance for racial slurs or sexual harassment in any form, and the offender will be asked to leave the office immediately. So next we'd like to discuss professional dress and attire. All employees are expected to dress in a clinically appropriate and professional manner. Women may wear long dress pants, knee-length skirts, or knee-length dresses. Men must wear collared shirts with a tie and dress pants. No spaghetti strap, tank tops, sneakers, sandals, or flip-flops, or shirts with offensive language or graphic design will be permitted. If an employee fails to comply with dress code, they will be asked to leave the clinic for the day without pay. And lastly, we would like to talk to you about payment and leave time. Hours of operation are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. All employees are expected to arrive at their shift 15 minutes prior to the start of their shift. Habitual tardiness will not be accepted, and more than 3 days of tardiness in one pay period will count as a day of absence. Employees will use our electronic timesheets to clock in and out of work. Timesheet periods will run from the 1st to the 15th and the 16th to the 31st of every month and must be submitted a day prior to the end of each pay period for review and formal submission. Bi-monthly paychecks will be issued the 7th and 22nd of each month, with the options of postal mail checks or direct deposit. The work year will operate on a quarter system in which employees will be issued 4 days of leave per quarter, excluding national holidays, 2 days for Thanksgiving, and 1 week off for Christmas. Leave days may be used for vacation or sick days. If an employee does not use all 4 days, they may save up days to apply to the next quarter. Requests for days off must be issued 1 month in advance unless there's a medical or family emergency. In accordance with the Family and Medical Leave Act, all parents, including dads and adoptive parents, may receive 12 weeks of unpaid job-secured leave if the worker has been present at the place of employment for at least 12 months and 1,250 hours. So we'd like to thank you for your time and this introduction, and we look forward to working with you.